Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you a handy trick on how to add participants to a WhatsApp group without saving their contact numbers. It's a quick and easy process, so let's dive right in. First things first, open your WhatsApp application. On the top right, pencil icon. Click on it. Now, select New Group to create a new group. Remember, you need at least one participant to proceed, so go ahead and add one by clicking on the Next button. Once that's done, type in the name of your group and feel free to add emojis for a personalized touch. Great! Your new group is created. Now, let's move on to the main part, how to add members to the WhatsApp group without saving their contact numbers. Navigate to the top corner again and click on Group Name. And scroll down to find the Add Members option. If you only need to add a few participants manually, this is the way to go. However, for larger numbers, there's a more convenient option. Click on Invite to Group via link. A unique link is generated, and anyone with WhatsApp can use it to join your group. Remember, only share this link with people you trust. To share the link, click on Share Link. You can use various platforms like WhatsApp, Gmail, or even in a classroom setting. If you prefer copying the link, there's an option for that too, just click on Copy Link. Now, for added security, you can reset the link. Click on Reset Link, and you'll be prompted to confirm if you want to reset the invite link for your group. This action will make the previous link invalid, and you'll need to share the new link. Once confirmed, the link is reset. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add participants to a WhatsApp group without saving their contact numbers. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and have a fantastic day.